yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
Wait.
Wait, Mr. Postman.
Please, Mr. Postman, look and see.
Oh, yeah.
There's a letter in your bag for me.
Please, Mr.
Why's it taking
Postman.
such a long time
Oh,
for me to
yeah.
hear from that boy of mine?
There must be some word today from my boyfriend so far away. Please, Mr. Postman, look and see if there's a letter for me. I've been standing here waiting, Mr. Postman, so patiently for just a card or just a letter saying he's returning home to me, Mr. Postman. Oh, yeah. Please, please, Mr. Postman. Whoa, yeah. So many